If you're a Julia Donaldson fan, then I'm sure you'll recognise these characters. We have the Gruffalo, Zog, Stickman and Whale. Whale and the snail, you can just see the little snail on his tail there. This is a handmade fondant topper. I've done the Gruffalo, I've made him out of icing, sat on a little log. He's an ugly bugger, isn't he? And then we've got the other characters around the cake, printed onto some edible icing sheets, backed onto a bit of fondant just to make them stand out a bit more. And I think it just gives it a little bit of a better effect if they're backed onto some icing. A bit more depth, shall we say. So the background on the cake is hand painted. I don't claim to be an artist with a paintbrush, but I don't think that's too shabby. You can actually get specific paints for painting on cakes with, but I don't have any because I don't do a lot of it because I'm not that good. So I've just used regular food colouring, gel food colouring, mixed with a bit of water. You don't get much depth that way, but if you mix the colours, you can make it work. So that's on the front of the cake. The back of the cake's just plain, and then we've got these trees at the side just to give it a bit more of a feel, if you like. So there we are, that's the Gruffalo sitting on top, surrounded by the other characters. A little bit of hand painting, a little bit of modelling work. It's a busy cake, but it's a scene, isn't it? It's a scene from a storybook.